My name is Dylan Close, and I did my scatter plot on how many hours of sleep the student got before the day of a test and what their score was. As you can see, it varied a lot. I got my data from asking 15 of my friends how many hours of sleep they got before the day of a test and what their test score was. I was interested in researching this topic because I was really curious on how many hours of sleep affects what you get on your test. As you can see, it does affect. If you sleep more, you really have a higher chance of getting a better grade on the test. One of my friends only got 1 hour of sleep and he got a 20 on the test. The other one got 9 hours of sleep and got 100. On the previous slide, I pointed out 2 points in the graph that were going to help me find my slope-intercept. And finding my slope-intercept, you have the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So it was 90 minus 50 over 7 minus 3, and that gives you a slope-intercept of 40 over 4. So I got 10 from doing 40 over 4. And once I got 10, I had to plug it into the equation, so it was my y minus 40 equals 10x minus 4 in parentheses. So then I distribute the 10 with the x, and I got 10x minus 40. So the equation was y minus 40 equals 10x minus 40. So then I did plus 40 to bring it over to the other side, and then I got 0. So then I got y equals 10x plus 0. My equation will be helpful to people because you can predict if you get more hours of sleep, then you have a better chance of getting a good grade on the test. My prediction equation, in my opinion, I think it is valid because the final answer that I got makes sense. If you sleep for more hours, you have a better chance of getting a better grade on the test. For an example, I did 10 hours, which wasn't on the graph, and I plugged it into x. So 10 times 10 equals 100, and there was plus 0 in the equation. So if you got 10 hours of sleep, which is a lot, you probably have a good chance of getting around 100. And the hardest part of this project for me was trying to collect all the data, and hopefully everyone that I got the data from was telling the truth. And that's my project.